sir, and my viewers. We, the students of RSC Mirzapur, branch CSC, are going to present a physics experiment that is the formation of Newton rings. Myself, KUSHAGRA, I have 4 other members along with me, KAMLENDRA, KHUSHI, JYOTI, and JITENDRA. So let us move on to the apparatus first. This is the light. This is our light source, which contains a monochromatic sodium light of a certain wavelength. Traveling microscope, where we are going to observe the dark and bright fringes. How these fringes are going to be formed? These plano-convex lens and this glass plate, which is on a 45-degree angle with horizontal. This is responsible for the formation of dark and bright fringes here. Let us move on to the theory part. My friend Jyoti will start explaining the theory part.
Let us start the theory of Newton rings. Newton rings are a fascinating phenomena in optics named Sir Isaac Newton, who first described them in 1717. They are formed by the interference of light waves reflected from the top and bottom surface of the thin air film between a slightly curved lens and a flat glass plate. Now my friend KHUSHI will start the process of Newton ring formation.
Now let us discuss the process of formation of Newton ring. A monochromatic light source such as a sodium lamp emits light of a specific wavelength, typically around 589 nanometer for sodium light. Now discuss about lens and plates. A plano-convex lens is placed on a flat glass plate. At the point of contact, there is a very thin air film. Now Kamlen will explain the further part.
Third, light incidence. Monochromatic light is incident on the lens plate arrangement. Now fourth, reflection part. Some of the light is reflected from the top surface of the air film, while another portion penetrates the film and is reflected from the bottom surface of the air film. The two reflected beams interfere with each other depending on the path difference between the beams, and constructive or destructive interference occurs.
Now Jiten will explain the further part. I will explain the constructive and destructive interference. Interference results in bright rings, while a destructive interference leads to the dark rings. The pattern of alternating bright and dark rings is observed due to the varying thickness of the air film between the lens and the plate.
That's all. Thank you for listening us.